How to get the Epic Game Store on Android. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you check out in your Play Store, you will most likely will not find the Epic Game Store. So what you are supposed to do is launch a preferred browser in your mobile device. Now in the search bar, you need to type in store.epicgames.com or type in epic.download. You will be redirected to a web page over here. Now as you can see, there is an Android version of Epic Game Store that we can easily download from our Android. All you need to do is simply tap on Install on Android. Then tap on Download Anyway. It will notify that file might be harmful, but this would be a standard notification from your Android, and this file is not as harmful as it claims. So just tap on Download Anyway. As you can see, the download has begun. Tap Open once the file has been installed. Then again press on Install to complete the installation in your device. Once the application is successfully installed, you will find it in your background. Now just like any other application, launch Epic Games in your device. Then if you have created an Epic Games account, just enter your credential and download your favorite Epic Games such as Fortnite, Fall Guys and more. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.